Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system and getting into UEFI firmware. Make sure you're signed in with an admin account and save work. Disable fast startup in Power Options so Windows won't skip the firmware on reboot. Once done, open Settings, go to Recovery and click Restart Now under Advanced Startup. Then choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and UEFI Firmware Settings. You'll see the option to restart to your BIOS. This is the direct route to Hyper-V related toggles. Once inside UEFI, head to the Security, Advanced, or CPU configuration page to find virtualization options. You're looking for Hyper-V specific toggles or generic labels like Virtualization Technology, Intel VTX, AMD-V, or SVM. Disabling these prevents Hyper-V from loading. Change the setting to Disabled, then make sure to select Save Changes, often F10 or Save and Exit, so the firmware writes the new state. You must reboot into Windows to let the change take effect, and for other hypervisors to work. After firmware changes, boot Windows and verify Hyper-V is disabled. You can check Windows features or run bcdedit/enum and confirm Hyper-Visor launch type is not set to auto. If Hyper-V persists, run bcdedit/set Hyper-Visor launch type off in an admin command prompt, then reboot. Make sure to also remove Hyper-V from programs and features, right arrow turn Windows features on or off, and stop any related services. If virtualization still appears, double-check UEFI settings and ensure Windows Fast Startup remains disabled before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.